Characteristics of guidance. The important features of guidance are: number first, guidance is promotion of the growth of the individual in self-direction. Guidance is process of helping the individual in effecting changes in him. It helps the individual himself through his own efforts. Number four, it assists an individual to find his place in the society. It is helping the individual to establish harmonious relationships. Number six, it is assisting the individual to adjust himself in the society. Number seven, guidance is helping the individual to make appropriate educational, vocational, and personal choices. Number eight, its program is to organize the individual personality for the development. Its program has a structure, system, and personnel. Number 10, it consists of specialized services, testing, counseling, educational and vocational information, placement, and follow up services. Number 11, its program is an integral part of the school system. Number 12, guidance is helping an individual to identify and develop his potentialities and talents. It is a point of view that includes a positive attitude towards children. Number 14, guidance helps in bringing excellence among people. Number 15, guidance helps in developing the abilities and potentialities of the people.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share and subscribe.